Do you know your colors in Malagasy? Can you say them with me? Here we go. Red, Mina, blue, manga, yellow, mavu, green, maitsu, orange, wumbusari, pink, mafgili, purple, wulumbarasi, brown, wulundani, black, mighty, white, futsi. And there's one more. What is it? Gray, wulundavinda. Very good. Now let's try that again, but a little bit faster. Red, Mina, blue, manga, yellow, mavu, green, maitsu, orange, wulumbusari, pink, mafgili, purple, wulumbarasi, brown, wulundani, black, mighty, white, futsi. And there's one more. Gray, wulundavinda. Very good. Now, let's try to say the colors backwards. Here we go. Gray, wulundavinda. White, futsi. Black, mighty. Brown, wulundani. Purple, wulumbarasi. Pink, mafgili. Orange, wulumbusari. Green, maitsu. Yellow, mavu. Blue, manga. And one more. Red, Mina. Nice. Last time, let's say them all together now. Here we go. Mina, manga, mavu, maitsu, wulumbusari, mafgili, wulumbarasi, wulundani, mighty, futsi. And then one more. Wulundavinda. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Veluma!